Welcome to the Grow Family Network, and today is our last video for Natalia Montoya's garden. This is actually going to be our harvest video. What we want to do is we want to try to harvest some of this stuff out, figure out a way to save it. That way we can actually use it as we go into the spring, and then we'll try to prepare this bed with some fertilizer, let it rest for a few weeks, and then we'll start hopefully planting into it. Maybe some eggplants, bell peppers, or I don't know, who knows, we might try something different this year. Maybe watermelon, squash, something, cucumbers, anything, we don't know yet. But Beverly right now is in the mix of actually harvesting everything. We were supposed to do this video a few days ago, but I mean, I think if you're watching some of our videos, it's been raining like crazy. So we postponed the harvest video until we got a little bit of dry weather, and then actually came out and Beverly was like, "Where's our Romanesco?" And I'm like, "It's over there." She was like, "No, it's not." I'm like, "I didn't pick it up yet. It's over there." And I took a video of it yesterday because I was just getting overviews of the whole thing, so I wouldn't have to do it today during the harvest video. And today, here it is. If you can see that, it's gone just like that. One day the top didn't come off, my netting didn't come off. I don't know what happened. Some kind of way they got in there. And you see how big that thing was? They can eat that in one day. I just filmed it yesterday, and they ate that in one day. But they left this cauliflower that I had left too long. They actually left that for me. Suckers. I'll get them next time. So what Bev is doing is she's harvesting the red mustard, the bok choy. I don't know what I said in the last video, what I said this was, but it looks so much like a cabbage to me. I don't know what they sold it as. I thought when we planted them it said collard greens, but I think that's a cabbage. Which if I would have known that was cabbage, I wouldn't have planted all those that close.
It's a cabbage.
So we're gonna leave that. You wanna leave that for a while?
Yeah.
Alright, cut it. No, so throw them away.
You want me to cut the whole thing?
Yeah, you can cut it all up. Looks good, looks good. Oh, you can cut out all those broccolis too. Just cut the head off of them, and then cut the plant out under it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Anything else you think we should take out? Not big enough. Yeah, keep that. Look, this one here. Cut this one out. Yeah, cut that out. Alright. So we'll just let, what you gonna think? Just let the rest of those leaves kind of decompose. That's good. I tell you, this bed here can take maybe another inch or two of soil, but it still looks so good. You can see she's stepping in it, and it's real bouncy. So I'm liking what I'm seeing from that. Other than her inside stepping in it, it looks good that it's not really compacting. So we like what we're seeing on that front. And I know they still have some sticks and stuff that haven't really broken down all the way under there yet. Nice head. So right now she just was just cleaning around it.
Chicken bucket.
It's our chicken bucket.
Put in the chicken. Whoa. You ready?
Hey. Didn't know that was in there. So I don't know what happened with this. I don't know if this was what this was supposed to be. It turned out that it would turn us, but how did that cabbage thing get over there? I don't know what happened here. So we must have had some seeds that got mixed on us. Go ahead on and pull that out of there. Wow. Nice looking turnip. Let me see that. Real nice.
Beets, not yet.
Beets not yet. Those turnips should have been way spaced out, but I don't know how the turnip got in there. So I think what happened was we planted turnips first and they didn't come up. So I think we end up planting on top of that. These greens happen. So I don't know. We were just trying to make stuff grow at this point. But it looks good. So I got good area that's still ready for planting. Even if I don't take everything out for the spring, we can take out parts and just fertilize in blocks as far as with the organic fertilizers. And that way we can still plant what we want to plant while still letting some of this other stuff still grow. So still use it. No need to buy more buck charge for the spring if we got some already that's producing already that haven't really bolted. So we're gonna let those keep going. But everything looks good. See, she's got in that bed, huh? She finally got in there. Put that down before you cut yourself, little girl. All right. So Bevs is now coming out. We're gonna go and give this bucket to the chickens, and in turn they're gonna give us some eggs. All right, so this is the conclusion of Natalia's garden. what you liked about this bed? More so with that bed. This bed kind of had a little bit more what you call diversity up in it, even with color. That's what we was going after when we put the red mustards on the corners, was to give it some kind of color pop. And like I say, as we walk to the chicken cage every day, this is the actual bed that we see the most. So seeing that green Romanesco and that yellow cheddar cauliflower was really what we were looking for, more so than just growing for food. Wanted something that the kids could come out and look at and kind of learn from. What was the surprise? What was the surprise with you? Maybe the turnip?
The turnip. Yeah.
So that was cool to see that turnip. Oh, you forgot about that was in there. So can't even hold it all. So tonight is gonna be a long night. I've actually done these harvest videos because I decided that I was gonna take one night to try to figure out how to. I wasn't gonna blanch it. I'm just gonna freeze it. I'm gonna do a little study. And my auntie, she usually doesn't blanch her greens at all. She basically takes it, deveins them, and freezes them like that. So I'm gonna try that this year. As long as you eat them fast enough, I don't think they need to be blanched. So thank y'all for watching Natalia's Garden Harvest. And what I'm gonna do right now, while Bevs takes that inside, is I'm gonna go bring the chickens their supper. So
Beautiful bouquet.
let's go do that. So as she goes that way, we're gonna go this way. This bed has been good to us. Like the gift that keeps on giving, you know. It's been a long year. I don't know. And our season, since it's a all year round season, you really have to figure out where you're gonna take your breaks at. Like I say, it's all around season, so I'm not gonna really get a break on stopping the garden from producing. Where I'm gonna get the break is on breaking down some stuff, as far as doing less trellising and more bush type vegetables. But you can see them here. We've been feeding them all day. Got some eggs in that corner right over there. Sometimes I go in, sometimes I just stop right here. If you go to that door without real feed, they'll rush you all the time. So I like to just come right here and let them get their greens. This is our first of the season huge clean out. Usually it's just a few little leaves here and there. And this is kind of late to be throwing all this in here, and they won't eat all this tonight, but they'll be able to wake up in the morning before I actually get out here and start chewing on this until I bring them their feed in the morning. And I'll wait on those eggs. I don't pick those eggs tonight. I'll wait and get those eggs in the morning. And that's it. You can look in and see how they have all of the greens that they want. Actually, this is their second helping of today, so they're probably not that hungry. This one's sticking his head out there. So yeah, but that's it. Thank y'all so much for supporting us. This is our last sponsored bed video for the fall winter season. Let's get ready for the spring. Everybody's getting ready for the spring. These videos are just something to keep you motivated, just something to keep you ready. Okay, so you know the deal. Thank you for watching the Grow Family Network. And as always, I'm almost back to Natalia's garden. As always, set it here. Shh, psh. Lift, straighten, and grow, grow, grow. Peace.